Welcome to this comprehensive guide on step-by-step Etoro markets. Etoro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial instruments such as stocks, commodities, and currencies. To get started with Etoro markets, you need to understand the basics of the platform and how it works. First, you need to open an account on the Etoro website. This involves providing some personal and financial information and verifying your identity. Once your account is open, you can deposit funds into it using a variety of payment methods. Next, you need to navigate the Etoro platform and understand the different markets that are available. Etoro offers a range of markets, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and indices. You can browse these markets by category, or use the search function to find a specific market. When you find a market that you are interested in, you can click on it to view more information. This will take you to a page that shows the current price of the market, as well as a chart of its recent performance. You can also see the buy and sell prices, and the amount of leverage that is available. To place a trade, you need to click on the buy or sell button, depending on whether you think the market will go up or down. You will then be asked to specify the amount that you want to trade and the leverage that you want to use. Leverage allows you to trade with more money than you have in your account, but it also increases the risk of losing money. Once you have placed your trade, you can monitor its performance in the portfolio section of the Etoro platform. This shows you the current value of your trade, as well as any profits or losses that you have made. You can also close your trade at any time, either to take a profit or to limit a loss. One of the key features of Etoro is its social trading platform. This allows you to see what other traders are doing and to copy their trades. You can browse the profiles of other traders and see their performance over time. You can also follow other traders and receive notifications when they place a trade. In addition to its social trading features, Etoro also offers a range of educational resources. These include video tutorials, webinars, and online courses. These resources can help you to improve your trading skills and to learn more about the markets. Finally, it is worth noting that trading on Etoro involves risk, and you can lose money. It is therefore important to only trade with money that you can afford to lose, and to use the risk management tools that are available on the platform. These include stop-loss orders, which can help to limit your losses if a trade does not go in your favor. By following these steps, you can get started with Etoro markets and begin trading on the platform. Remember to always use caution, and to never trade with more money than you can afford to lose. With practice and patience, you can become a successful trader on Etoro.